Today's decision by the Connecticut Supreme Court, I think we would all say, was a long time in coming. And it marks a turning point in what has been a nearly five-year-long legal battle waged by 10 very courageous families who were drafted on the day of Sandy Hook, on the Sandy Hook shooting, into a club that nobody would ever volunteer for. And even a gun company that is powerful, even a gun industry that is politically connected, and even in the face of some statutory protections, no industry is fully above the law. You can't engage in reckless marketing that does nothing to address a problem, but only contributes to it. They have said today that the gun industry may bear certain responsibilities to provide a solution to this epidemic that we have.
I can't say I'm excited by this ruling. I wish I was never here. But what we've said from the outset is, all we want is our day in court for the law to be upheld and for a jury to decide our case.
There is a reason that this particular consumer product is the one that is used by people who want to inflict the most damage, and we've seen example of that time and time again in the almost 6 years since my son and his classmates and teachers were murdered. And that reason very likely partially resides in the information we can now look at. It partially resides at the feet of the manufacturers and their advertising and marketing policies.
It's too late for the victims of Sandy Hook, but instead of promoting violent use of their weapons, it's time to get engaged and protect the public.